lockdown party, need two shots of the alky, got two bad bitches beside me, another three, a full war at the door, a little party, never hurt nobody. Open your mouth, bought a tequila, 1942 in my system. Now she wanna come and kick it, baby girl, you tryna give me wisdom. All rocked up, that's 5 or 6, still got Akis, flipping in bricks. It's a lockdown party.
Nah, fuck that, we just wanna party.
Brothers came through with that Melbourne bounce to make your head go. Wait. Fucking yalla! It's a lockdown party, part 2. It's a 2-day bender. Been in lockdown for way too long. Now it's time to trot like it's deja vu. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Work way too much, man, they can't compete. Go crazy like it's DEFCON 1.
Lockdown party.
Go crazy like it's DEFCON 1. Lockdown party's just begun. Rule number 1, there is no rules. But if the cops come, then it's time to run. These girls just wanna have fun. Boys running a buck till someone gets done. We shut shit down.